It was an unusual day in the forest for all the animals except Paddy, the donkey, who found a lion's skin left in the forest by a hunter. He dressed himself in it and hatched a plan to amuse himself by hiding behind a bush and rushing out suddenly at whoever passed that way. And he did manage to do so, and had quite a good laugh when Sammy, the deer, and Pete, the elephant, were scared to their wits. He was so pleased to see the animals running away from him that he felt he were the king of the jungle himself. In excitement, he soon let out a large bray, attracting the attention of Sly, the fox. Sly smiled to himself without a care in the world. Paddy tried to scare him away, but soon found himself in an awkward situation when Sly told him, "You gave yourself away with that silly bray. Isn't it better to be what you are instead of pretending what you aren't?"